One of the requests we get quite often is to show how we could take our text callouts and apply a behavior to make it look like a typewriter is typing the letters on the screen. While we can't get it perfect, we can get pretty close. So let's start by going into my own library and adding a callout that has some sample text on it. Then what we're going to do is we're going to lean on our behaviors. So over on the left-hand side, we're going to click on behaviors, and we're going to use the Flyin Behavior effect. So we will click and drag that onto our text callout. Now I'm going to adjust the timeline so I can see the entirety of my project, and move the playhead forward just a little bit so we can see some of the text coming in on the screen. Now over on the right in the properties drawer, we're going to work on the behaviors properties, and the behaviors are found, if applied, underneath this tab icon at the top. Behaviors are broken into three parts: the in, during, and out behaviors. In is what happens as the text comes in, during is what happens during the time it's on the screen, and out is how it leaves the screen. For this, we're not going to have anything going on during, so the style is set to none. And for the out, we're going to also have it set to none just for this practice. So let's watch the video back just for a second and see how they come in by adding the Flyin Behavior default. Looks like they kind of roll in there. Looks pretty good, but it's not exactly that typing feature we're looking for. In order to work on that, here's the changes I would suggest you make with the Flyin Behavior within the properties drawer. First, go underneath Type, select Text, and choose First to Last. Then, underneath Movement, I switch it from linear to smooth. Then it's a matter of changing the speed and the offset time to make it look exactly the way you want. Speed is pretty good in the low to mid 90s, so we'll bump it up to 95%. And then I've discovered with offset, if I move it up to the 1.7, 1.8 second range, it should look pretty good. So making those subtle changes, we'll bring the playhead back here, and we'll play this video to see what our results look like. Looks pretty good. However, if I want it faster or slower, I simply need to adjust different levels within the behaviors to make sure it's set exactly the way I want.